बच्चों, how are you all? Hope you all are well. So last class we finished the 8th lesson, right? Today we are going to continue the book exercise. Okay, all take your textbook page number 59. Write on the up of it, write today's date 24/2/2021 Budhavar. Write it. And this is your homework. Okay, ma'am has written the two lines ma'am has filled. Rest you have to fill, right? कविता की अधूरी पंक्तियों को पूरा करें. Fill the missing lines of the poem. Fill the missing lines of the poem. You have to fill from seeing the textbook. You should see, and the poem you should see, and you should find out the lines where it is, and you have to fill it. Okay, and take a snapshot and send it to me. Ma'am has written first one Suraj. You can find out easily by starting the para. This will start, and next line Dayen. So next line where it is you find out, and write the answers. Okay ma, this is easy, very easy only. You can do it. Okay, do it and take a snapshot and send it to me. Then next one, next page number 60. बातें फाशा की. किसी भी काम के होने या करने के विषय में बताने वाला शब्द क्रिया कहलाते हैं. किसी भी काम के होने या करने के विषय में बताने वाले शब्द, any work we are doing and happening, any work which is happening and doing, we will tell that as the verb. Okay, what we are doing, action word is verb. We learned in English, right? Action word is verb. Like that, Hindi, whatever work we are doing and whatever work it is happening, that is only verb. Okay, in Hindi for verb we will say kriya. What is that? Tell with me, my dear kids. Kriya. Okay, read with me the first line. किसी भी काम के होने या करने के विषय में बताने वाले शब्द क्रिया कहलाते हैं. ओके, जैसे like, जैसे मीन्स like, what and all. Example, उड़ना, उठना standing, बैठना sitting, खाना eating, पीना drinking. So these are the verb, right? So these are the क्रिया शब्द. उड़ना, बैठना, खाना, पीना आदि एक्सेट्रा. ओके, यू सी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कविता की इन पंक्तियों के आए क्रिया शब्द ढूंढकर रेखांकित करें. सम 4 lines of the poem is given. You have to find the verb from that and underline. सारी चीज़ें गिरती धरती पर. धरती पर, सारी चीज़ें गिरती धरती पर. All the things fell down on the earth. So what is the verb there? Fell down. So गिरती. Underline that word, गिरती. धुआं आसमान में उठता है. धुआं, smoke is going up on the sky. So what is the verb there? It's going up. So उठता है. सूरज आता कभी सिर पर. Sun is coming sometimes on the up of our head. So what is the verb there? Coming. So आता underline. Then तो कभी दाएं बाएं जाता है. Sometimes it will go left and right. So go, it is the goes, it is the verb. So जाता, underline that word. जाता means goes. आता comes. उठता going up. गिरती fell down. So these are the verbs here. Okay, so next you see, ऊपर की पंक्तियों से चुने गए क्रिया शब्दों का प्रयोग करके नया वाक्य बनाएं. You have to see the underlined words we have done in the previous that 4 line. Using that word you have to write sentences about that. Here first one, गिरती. सारी चीज़ें धरती पर गिरती हैं. I have taken the same sentence for you to learn easily only. Okay, so सारी चीज़ें धरती पर, everything are falling down on the earth. आसमान में धुआं उठता है. You should put on full stop there. Okay ma, don't forget to put full stop. I forgot to put. आसमान में धुआं उठता है. Smoke is going up of the sky. सूरज सुबह को आता है. सूरज is coming in the morning. That I have changed from there. It's easy only. सूरज, sun used to come by in the morning. सूरज शाम को जाता है. लास्ट वन, सूरज, सन इज गोइंग इन द इवनिंग. So that is easy only, na? Learn that and fill that. Okay ma? Then we will go to the notes. Part 8, जाने क्यों ऐसा होता है. अर्थ, आसपास, नियर बाय, आसपास, नियर बाय. सवाल, क्वेश्चन, सवाल, क्वेश्चन. बीज, सीड, बीज, सीड. जमघट, क्राउड, जमघट, क्राउड. फर्स्ट once again, आसपास, नियर बाय, सवाल, क्वेश्चन, बीज, सीड, जमघट, क्राउड. धुआं, स्मोक, धुआं, स्मोक. नारियल, कोकोनट, नारियल, कोकोनट. बंद, क्लोज्ड, बंद, क्लोज्ड. सैलाब, ओवरफ्लो, सैलाब, ओवरफ्लो. once again, आसपास, नियर बाय, सवाल, क्वेश्चन, बीज, सीड, जमघट, क्राउड. धुआं, स्मोक. नारियल, कोकोनट. बंद, क्लोज्ड. सैलाब, ओवरफ्लो. Okay, then विलोम शब्द, opposite. Opposite, सवाल, जवाब. सवाल, क्वेश्चन, जवाब, आंसर. दाएं, बाएं. दाएं means right, बाएं means left. दिन, रात. दिन, morning. रात, night. बंद, बंद means closed. खुला, open. धरती, धरती means earth. Opposite, गगन, sky. Okay, सवाल, जवाब, दाएं, बाएं, दिन, रात, बंद, खुला, धरती, गगन. Then we will take the activity book. Okay, Pustak B book. You take all of you the Pustak B book, page number 29. Take page number 29. Write on top of it today's date, 24/2/2021. What is important? We are skipping more lessons here because we don't want that, because if you are sitting in home and you can't able to learn that one. So whatever it is important, that only we will fill. Okay, we can't skip this textbook, right? So we will write whatever it is important. Okay, listen carefully. दिए गए शब्दों के वचन बदल कर लिखें. You have to change the like plural, singular, plural. You have to change the plural or case. You should change. If it is plural means you should write in singular. If it is singular means you should write in plural. First one, डिब्बा, डिब्बे. कमरा, कमरे. चाबियाँ, चाबी. ताले, ताला. लकड़ी, लकड़ियाँ. ओके, डिब्बा, डिब्बे. कमरा, कमरे. चाबियाँ, चाबी. ताले, ताला. लकड़ी, लकड़ियाँ. Then same page only down it is there. रेखांकित शब्दों का वचन बदलकर वाक्य दोबारा लिखें. See what are the underlined word it's given now. You have to write, change the plural or singular of that, and you have to write again that sentence. This first sentence it is given आँखें. So in question answer what it will come? आँख it will come. ईरा ने आँखें बंद की. So ईरा ने आँख बंद की. Okay, ईरा ने आँख बंद की. Then आनंद कमरे की अलमारियों, पुरानी बनावट के पंगों को देखने लगा. Only see the underlined words. Okay, that is only important for it. अलमारियों it is given, so that is plural. So you should write in singular. अलमारी. Then pangom also plural it is written. So you have to write pange. Okay, pange, pangom, panga, pange, pangom. So pange only, pangom will come. So pange. Then sanduk, it's singular. So you should write sandukom. Okay. Then tali, it's singular, taliyam. Okay, see that underlined words and write, change the case. Okay, singular or plural you should change and write that much only. Then page number 32. Okay, in between and all 30, 31 and all no need. Okay, 32. Here what this means, चुनमुन के सवाल कहानी के आधार पर दिए गए उत्तरों के प्रश्न लिखें. You have to write the date on the top of it. Okay, ma, don't forget to do that. Here question is that the question's answer is given. You should write the question of that. By seeing the question, you should make question for that. Okay, here question what? See this one. पेड़ों के चूमते पत्तों को देखकर चुनमुन चिड़िया जानना चाहती थी कि आखिर इन पत्तों को कौन हिलाता है. So by seeing that, you don't want to learn this one, okay, only for filling the page. This one is if very important only, but you are small kids, so that is not needed, but we will fill that one, okay. So by seeing the question itself, how we will make the sentence. See, पेड़ों के चूमते पत्तों को देखकर चुनमुन चिड़िया क्या जानना चाहती थी. So there it will come the question, okay. Then चुनमुन सबसे पहले गिलगरी के पास पहुंची और उसने जाना कि पत्ते तो हवा से हिलते हैं. चुनमुन सबसे पहले किसके पास पहुंची और उसने क्या जाना. That is only question. Only fill it, okay. Don't want to learn and all. It's difficult. It's for higher grade only it will come. You are small kids, okay. So don't want to learn. Only understand that this is the question of this one. चुनमुन को बाग में चींटी मिली और उसने जाना कि हवा न मिलने के कारण हमारा दम घुट सकता है, हम ठीक से सांस नहीं ले सकते. चुनमुन को बाग में कौन मिला और उसने उससे क्या जाना. ओके, फिल दैट. देन नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 34. 24 to 2021 राइट द डेट. पेज नंबर 34. यू हैव कहानी में आए किन्हीं 10 शब्दों के को उनके विलोम शब्दों के साथ लिखें. फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट बुक फ्रॉम द लेसन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द opposite words and you have to write the opposite of that. First one, सवाल जवाब, it is given. जल्दी देर, खोया पाया, this one you should learn, okay. जल्दी देर, जल्दी fastly, the जल्दी fastly, देर late. खोया पाया, खोया means lost, पाया means got. सुख दुख, सुख means happy, दुख means sad. दाएं बाएं, we learned दाएं बाएं will come, okay, not पाएं. दाएं बाएं, not पाएं, it's बाएं, okay. बाएं, बाएं means left, दाएं means right. रुकना चलना, रुकना to stop, चलना to go. ऊपर नीचे, ऊपर up, नीचे down. गीली सूख, गीली wet, सूख dry. डंडी गर्म, डंडी cold, गर्म hot. गांव शहर, गांव गांव means village, शहर town. Then you see then next page number 37. Here it is given on poem. Whether it is a poem or a prose you should find. So it is telling that यह कविता है. Why it is a poem? So इसमें वाक्यों का प्रयोग कम. यह कविता है, यह कविता है क्योंकि it is a poem only. By seeing that itself we know that is a poem. Why it is a poem? Why we are saying that it is a poem? That is the reason here. इसमें वाक्यों का प्रयोग कम हुआ है. Here the sentence is very less. So it is a poem. Then इसको गाया जा सकता है. We will sing this one. So it is a poem. Then इसमें तुकबंदी और लाई है. It is a way of tune is there. So that is a poem. यह 5 पंक्तियों में लिखा है. It is written in 5 lines. और कविता कम से कम पंक्तियों में लिखी जाती हैं. कम से कम पंक्तियों में लिखा जाता है. Only little lines only we will write the poem. So it is a poem. That is only reason. This also don't want to learn, only fill the page, okay. Then page number 39. सही क्रिया शब्द चुनकर रिक्त स्थान भरें. You have to find out the correct verb. What we learned today ना, that verb word you should find out and write. आसमान में बिजली चमकती है या खाती है. चमकती glowing और खाती means eating. आसमान में बिजली चमकती है. On the sky the light is glowing. पेड़ ज़मीन से निकलता है. Tree is coming from the growing from the land, on the earth or land. सूरज दाएं बाएं जाता है. सूरज will go, sun will go to left and right. चंदा गायब होता है. चंदा will, moon will disappear. धुआं आसमान में उठता है. धुआं that we learned ना, धुआं आसमान में उठता है. धुआं smoke is going up of the sky. पेड़ों पर पत्ते होते हैं. On the tree and all leaves will be there. मैं अपने आसपास देखती हूँ. I will see nearby. So देखती means see. चुनमुन ने हवा के बारे में जाना. चुनमुन हैज़ नोन अबाउट द विंड. देन ऐसे क्यों होता है इकाई में आए कि नहीं 10 क्रिया शब्दों को सूची बनाए. फ्रॉम द लेसन जाने क्यों ऐसा होता है. दैट लेसन यू हैव टू फाइंड 10 verb from that. But here only I got only 8 words from there. I don't know why they told 10, but more repeated words only it is there. So I have written only 8. Aata, coming. Hota, happening. Nikalta, growing. Legta, happening. Jata, going. Utta, get standing. Girti, falling down. Dikta, seeing. So these are the verb words we are seeing from the textbook. Okay, this only I got. So this also you fill it. Okay ma. So this everything activity be quick, take your own time to fill it. Okay ma, don't be hurry burry. And whenever you will get this Saturday Sunday, you make use of it and finish that. Okay, so that only I gave today. Then only you can slowly you can finish before next Wednesday. Okay, finish before next Wednesday, that is enough. Other this notebook and textbook, you finish it within tomorrow. Okay, okay ma, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.